Namaste G and welcome to my channel. So this video is about how to make a DIY softbox using a carton box and few other materials within a limited period of time. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So step 1 is to find a large carton box so that the light can scatter in a large area. Step 2 is to cut the front side of the box so that we can apply silver foil inside the box and white piece of paper for to make the light soft. So let's continue our step 2. So finally we are ready to continue our step 3, that is to insert a silver foil paper inside the box. So let's continue step 3. So now I'm ready to continue step 3, that is to apply silver foil paper inside the box. So let's continue. Trust me guys, to complete the task of step 3 you literally need to have a good amount of patience level. Let's complete. And finally, after hours of hustle, step 3 is complete. Now step 4, make a hole so that we can insert the bulb holder. So I have already done it, and let's continue to step 5. So now the step 5 is to check the electric connection. So let's check it. And it's finally okay. So as here you can see we have completed step 5. Now the step 6 is to cover the front side of the box with a white piece of paper so that the light becomes softer. As here you can see now the light is harsh, so let's make it a little bit softer. So finally step 6 is complete, and here is the final output of DIY softbox. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, do subscribe for more such future updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye for today.